Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today and I'm going to be talking about. Please subscribe and press the like button. Let's get start. Virtual data room used for life science M&A deals rising. Employing virtual data room has become ubiquitous ubiquitous actors all types of life science transaction. From capital raising, IPO, asset disposal, license, and even clinical trials. Hardware and software systems are increasing the speed and sophistication with reducing in cost, making the infrastructure that virtual data room VDR provides a more activity as a secure platform for secure sharing and collaboration and confidential information. In addition, there are many innovated layered functionalities that reinforce the value of a video. A video should already have the following key embedded functionalities: secure, encrypt file transfer and store information, right management to uh, proof find grant user access collaboration tools such as online Q&A, sophisticated about third and reporting and integration capabilities with other third party documents management system. Newer technology and functions underpinning of artificial intelligence are also being deployed by the most innovative private such as Sterling technology. This include automatic multilanguage transcription of documented content in the video, automated redaction and build of review, for example for type such as 2D 3D CAD file. Cloud-based workspace. Virtual data rooms are online cloud-based workspace allowing user to securely managing and share large amount of information, which facilitates information in intensive business process and enable secure enterprise content collaboration. Video are delivered through a highly secure and scalable cloud-based platform which allow a vast amount of data to be securely transferred across organizational and geographic boundaries, using only to be securely transferred across organizational and geographic boundaries using only standard internet browser. A video platform is efficiently scalable, catering to the needs of a small group and individual within a single organization to large terms across multiple enterprise. Video platforms bring together multiple features such as integrated content management, information right management, analytics, and reporting together with embedded reduction and transaction tool to drive efficient and effective business collaboration for multiple use cases. This workspace mimic uh, third their physical counterpart in all web, but are superior in several factors that are leading to explosive growth in this market. Some of the main factors that are making videos more and more attractive are what are not limited to no physical space is needed. The deal can be set up by any company anywhere in the world and can invite prospective partners globally. Expensive travel can be avoided, no health and safety issue. Involve personal expenses for agree virtual meeting can work in the video at any time to suit their schedule. Video are protected by ever more effective security firmware like 256-bit and 512-bit encryption. Compliant to a host of international data security standards like ISO 27001, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, Cyber Essential Plus, and GDPR. Presence of multi-language transaction facilities, easy of uploading a large amount of data of the video by dragging and dropping file and event folder. Information right management and multi-level access permission covering people and documents, large volume keep first search and multi documents reduction using optical character recognition OCR. Preset or custom report on any video function, secure Q&A function, 24 hours 7 day and 7 week 365-day availability and access to the video. All the above factors save time and money, increasing the efficiency of the deal making process, not a small consideration when one imagine the size and complex of even the smallest. The larger deal may be transacted between the seller and multiple buyer bidders with a potential hundred of people involved. Bidder may be used for as a sales adult tenders, bank, bankruptcy due diligence process, merge and acquisition, public and private debt and equity capability, capital rising clinical trials, and organizational restriction, privacy and security. All of thus require the most robust adherence to global data privacy protection regulation to ensure all rising to the extremely insensitive interactive property held in any video are managed and demonstrably safe of from under unauthorized access or cyber attack. Another reason video using and rising is that is it is an extremely flexible service capable of a bewildering range of possibilities. Need a video for a small transaction involving two companies and 10 people in one city. No problem. Need one to handle one seller. 5 buyers, 300 people and across 10 cities on their content just easy. The others brilliant think that because is this a digital service. Thank you for watching us.